been almost a month now that I've been waiting for this. It's finally here. We have blades. So today we're going to get a blade on and start playing with tracking, which I got this weird feeling is going to be an absolute nightmare. But once we get it there, it won't take much to keep it there, I'm thinking, hoping. Too many things in my pocket. Oh yeah. Isn't that a pretty sight? I don't know where I'm going to keep them all, but they're here. So we got a zip tie. Give that a little snippy. Fuck it. Woo! Was not expecting that. Let's get this one. That was something. Well, it's not hard to get one off. Tie wire still holding us. Gotta find a home for the rest of them. This is kind of awkward. Okay, let's get a blade on. Might not have been the best spot to put it. Ow! Those are sharp. I'm a little amazed. The blade actually appears to be tracking. How or why? I don't know. It's holding there. Or appears to be. This is interesting. I also don't know why I keep throwing a belt off, but so like we're holding tracking here. Oh, the belt came off again. I don't know why I keep flopping the belt off. Yeah, so that's pretty cool. I thought I was going to spend a couple of days messing around with tracking, but I was wrong. The driven wheel has a serious wobble in it. I don't know if it's the tire, the wheel, the hub. And that, I think, is part of what's causing some blade flutter. And it's probably not tensioned right. So I'm going to get a tire pressure gauge, though. We'll check tire pressures. Let's check some pressures. That one just moves the gauge. I don't know what these are supposed to have in them. Load range, tubeless, tread. Nylon cord, tube. Oh, 50 psi. So we need some air. Because 12 is not enough. 50. All right, let's see if that did anything with our tracking. That most certainly did something with our tracking. As you can see, we've moved out to the front. But we've done it equally. The blade seems to be content tracking to the front like that for some reason. Which really isn't a bad thing. Because the way I'm looking at this, as it wears out this tread groove, or once it wears out this tread groove, I can take these tires off, flip them around, and I get a brand new tire. There's upsides to everything. I really can't help myself. I have no blade guides. I have no log dogs. I do have 2 F-clamps, so this can't go that way. But I gotta see it cut. I kind of struggled to push it through there because of this. It was getting down next to the bunk. Okay, so click, 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 and a bit. That's approximately an inch. I had to go considerably slower there than I'd like because I was pushing the blade back on the wheels because I got no guides. But it cuts. I am thoroughly happy right now. That's freaking awesome. It's actually pretty smooth too. Just for poops and giggles here. Caliper. You're not going to get a more accurate measurement than a caliper. Like that. That board is 1.220 on that end. Let's see if we had much drift. Oh yeah, we had some drift. That is 1.185. But at one point I had to slow down because I noticed that the blade had tracked from the front edge. Here. All in all, I think that's not too bad because at one point I had to slow down on my feed because I noticed the blade jumped from here back to here. Part of having no guides. So yeah, that's awesome. I'm very, very, very happy right now. I don't know if I should try that without a guide. Up against the clips. Yep. We sure are. Let's do a time check here. It's only 20 after 11. Oof, scared myself there. I just hit the clutch. And we'll go down even more. This is probably way too much for doing without guides. I've just ran into an issue here. I've been going slow because of tracking, but we're centered on that wheel and we're over here on this wheel, and I look over and I better grab this camera too. As we're cutting, oh yeah, the pulley is now almost touching because I'm thinking I did not lock down the second collar down in here, and this whole thing is walking out this way. So yeah, I almost made the cut. I think that's pretty damn good. No guides. That's got to be an 18-inch log. Let's see if we can back this out. Oh yeah, like butter. Like butter. I'm so freaking happy right now. How wide is that? Right there where we backed out was the widest part, and that's like 18 7/8, so let's call it 19 inches. I am freaking impressed right now. Aside from my shaft backing its way out, but that's minor. Yeah, words can't even say how I feel right now. This has been a long time in the making. When I got home last night and seen blades sitting on my deck, I said to myself I can almost smell the sawdust, and now I can.